Hi friends, I'm Rajnikant. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Sumanth Digital English Tutorial Videos. Dear friends, I have brought some short answer questions for the lesson 1 English Prose 10th class Enchanted Pool. So let's begin with the question 1. What doubts came in the mind of Yudhishthir when his brother didn't return? Its answer: when Yudhishthira's brothers did not return, he doubted. Can they have been subjected to a curse, or are they still wandering in search of water? Can they have fainted or died of thirst? Question 2. Where did Yudhishthir go and why? Yudhishthir went to the forest in the direction his brothers had gone because he wanted to find them. Question 3. Describe the way on which Yudhishthir proceeded. Its answer: the way on which Yudhishthir went was through the forest full of wild bear, spotted deer, and big forest birds. Question 4. Where did Yudhishthir find his brothers and in what condition? Its answer: Yudhishthir found his brothers lying dead near a pool of water. Question 5. Why did Yudhishthir think about his brothers and what did he wonder? Its answer: Yudhishthir thought about his brothers, that they had been taken away just when their exile was to end. He wondered who could have been powerful enough to kill them. Question 6. Why did he descend into the pool? What happened then? Its answer: he descended into the pool to quench his overpowering thirst. He also heard the same warning of answering the question first. Question 7. Whom did the pool belong to? What did he tell Yudhishthir about the death of his brothers? Its answer: the pool belonged to Yaksh. He told Yudhishthir that his brothers died because they did not heed his words and wanted to drink water before answering the questions. Question 8. How does the courage help man in danger? Its answer: courage rescues man in danger. Question 9. Why is mind described as swifter than the wind? Its answer: mind is described swifter than the wind because it reflects ideas within a moment. Question 10. How can learning be a friend to a traveler? Its answer: learning becomes a friend to a traveler because it alone guides the traveler about right and wrong, and it is the only thing that accompanies him. Question 11. If we give up being angry, we shall no longer be subject to sorrow. What does Yudhishthir mean when he says it? Its answer: anger makes a man excited and he cannot decide what to do and what not to do. It results in sorrow. So if we give up being angry, we will no longer be sad. Question 12. How, according to Yudhishthir, can a man become happy and rich? This question is important and it was asked in 2012, 13, 14, 15 and 18. Or How, according to Yudhishthir, can we be happy? This was asked in 2013. Dear guys, its answer: a man can be happy by adopting good conduct, because happiness is the result of good conduct. A man can be rich by giving up his desires. If we give up our greed, we will be rich. Question 13. When was Yudhishthir pleased? What did he ask Yudhishthir about? I'm sorry. See the question once more. When was Yaksh pleased? What did he ask Yudhishthir about? Its answer: Yaksh was pleased when Yudhishthir answered his all questions satisfactorily. He asked Yudhishthir about the brother he would like to revive. Question 14. How did Yudhishthir prove that he was impartial? Its answer: by asking Nakul to be revived, Yudhishthir proved that he was impartial. Question 15. What, according to the lesson, are the qualities which a man must have? Its answer: according to this lesson, a man should be courageous, learned, dutiful, free from pride and anger, and should have good conduct. Question 16. Why had Yam taken the form of Yaksh? It's also an important question. It was asked in 2011, 14, 17 and 18. Its answer: Yam had taken the form of Yaksh to see and test Yudhishthir. Question 17. What is the greatest wonder in the world according to Yudhishthir? This question was asked in 2013, 15 and 16. Its answer: every day men see creatures depart to Yama's kingdom, and yet those who remain want to live forever. This truth is the greatest wonder. Question 18. Whose sons were Nakul and Sahadev? This question was asked in 2014. Its answer: Nakul and Sahadev were the sons of Madri. Question 19. What quality of Yudhishthir pleased the Yaksh most? Its answer: the impartiality of Yudhishthir pleased the Yaksh most. Dear guys, it was all. Hope you must have liked this video. Watch this video again and again from top to toe. Thanks for watching. Bye.